Alright, we're coming for you today. Today is Tuesday, I think the 22nd of July. It's going to be a warm day. We're at a Mee Island Marina, Windward Marinas. We're going to take a little boat ride. We're going to go to the gentleman's home, and we're going to take the little boat over there and put it on his lift so he can use it for the next couple months. So if you want to see it, just give me a call. I'm going to make arrangements to go see it. But this is a 2017 Pursuit C238. Low hours, under 200 hours. Very nice boat. It just came out of the building. It's got a little dirty. Nice hard top. But we're going to take a little ride. It's got the bow cushions. We're going to take a little ride, about a 30-minute ride, and we'll take some video along the way, and then probably cut and splice it so you can see some cool spots around Mee Island, Florida. So on the boat itself, the back seat folds down to carry your boats. You can put an ice box there. Power plug to storage your batteries for battery charger. Storage up front. You got your anchor up front. You got a great place for your porta potty and storage right here. There's the owner's manual. I think it's been used a couple times. There's probably maybe 170 hours on the boat, I believe. So we're going to set my camera down for a minute. If it doesn't screw up, do crazy pictures. And I'm going to untie and take the bumpers out. Hey buddy, couldn't get out of here. I just untied, so
okay, no worries. We got weather coming in by 3, so I'm looking at the radar. So
oh yes,
I don't want to get caught again.
So I gotta
get this done today because I got meetings and appointments tomorrow. So
yeah,
are you about to leave, or what are you doing?
I just untied and
okay,
going by the restaurant. So be there in about 20 minutes.
All right, cool, man. Thank you. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye.
All right. So had a good place to keep the camera so we can see what's going on. Yep, I got my sunscreen on. So I got pretty low tide right now. Maybe you want to see forward. So don't make this I don't want to make you dizzy. GoPro can get me a better stand for this. I did try doing a scalloping trip with the camera. It did great. You can see those on my YouTube channel. Just did it over in Steinhatchee. So going by 251 restaurant. It's warm, but it's much better on the water. certainly a little low tide. But if you're not familiar with the east coast of Florida, we get tides every 7 hours approximately, and they're anywhere from 5 to 7 feet on each one. And pretty stiff current. So we're at Miala Marina, which is a very nice, it's cut out and goes way inland, so it's pretty hurricane safe marina. I'll give you a little roundabout picture of it here. And if you're like to something to eat while you're boating, 251 Restaurant is a great restaurant right when you come in on the right hand side. So the bridge to our left, that's actually A1A, which goes through the island and goes out the south end of the island on Extra Drive, which is actually A1A, and goes to the St. Johns River Ferry, or to used to be 9A or it's now 295 east. So we're hopefully gonna cut up the video so you can see different stuff, because you'll get bored if it gets boring. But it's never boring out here. So make sure you like our videos, and we're trying to make our website a lot more information on it with a referral list. You can search our co-brokerage site is probably 15 to 18,000 vessels on there looking for boats. You don't have to worry about all the pop-ups and all that. And the boats you'll be searching are all broker boats. So you have a lot better scenario with getting a good product. And we'll be happy to help you find a boat and to work with you and go through the whole process. We're seeing a lot of fish, finger mullet mostly. We'll speed up a little bit. Apparently we got some storms coming in about 3 o'clock. See, it's let's see what time it is now. It's about almost 1 o'clock, so we'll be fine. So I'll shut the video off pretty much when we get out. We'll go underneath Highway 200, and I'll cut it back on when we go down a few places. Also looking for a repower Yamaha. There's a repower dealer. It's Miala Marina's repower Yamaha. They do a good job. They've got a highly certified technician there. And if you're looking for a new Yamaha, they'll fix you up. Driving down the bridge, you can see the boats out here in the water. So yeah, it's and then we've got a big railroad swing bridge. So when the train goes across, and of course closes, and when it's closed, you can't ask to open it. It's closed when the train's going, and it stays open all the rest of the time. And they have another restaurant on the other side of the bridge called Down Under. Been there for many, many, many years. You can come by boat or come by car. Same as 251 Restaurant. You can come by boat, tie up, or come by car. So it's pretty shallow where we are right now because of low tide, but when we come out here, it's going to jump up to probably 25 feet deep. There's a mullet jumping there. So we're now in the Intercoastal Waterway. Bernina Beach and Meade Island, Florida, with Nassau County on the other side. So we're going to go through pretty good current out here. Looks like the tide's still outgoing. So you got to get your engine up a little bit here to go through the current, because the way it squeezes in, it's pretty busy through here. I've got the Garmin, touchscreen Garmin, it's on. I've got GPS on the left, and I'll show you in a minute. And it's got the really cool addition where you can see what the bottom looks like. It's really neat. I'll show you that. I'm going to show you that right now. Kind of see on the left-hand side, you can see what the bottom looks like and how it cuts straight down. There's the traditional GPS, and then that's the other type. I don't remember what you call this. It's the chirp system with the high-end transducer. That is really cool, where you can see your ridges, and especially if you like fishing. You got your Garmin marine radio. You got your engine meters, all your switches, your marine radio, link with pin tabs, tilt steering wheel. Electronics box up here. Sweet. So this is the Yamaha that there's no cables, Yamaha 300. So it's all fly-by-wire. So when you give it gas, it goes. Stop, it stops. Take off. I'm going to try to, might not be able to do this. I'm going to take off. Then we're going to have to turn the camera off, and we're going to have to. That's about half throttle. Your cruise speed, 26 miles an hour. What I did is I brought the engine up and brought it back where I heard a big difference in sound. That gives you a great ride and probably the best fuel economy. Getting 3.1 miles per gallon now, 8.2 gallons per hour. So that means if we travel 1 hour, we'll burn 8 gallons, but we'll go 26 miles. Has a little bit to even the boat out. We're going to a slower speed. It's nice when you're out cruising to get the front end down at 24 38, and looking for a new owner.